Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting a lot of questions about how it actually works. So let's dive in. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin to help your body get rid of excess water weight and support your digestive health. When you take gelatin, it helps to strengthen your gut lining, which can lead to a whole range of benefits, from reduced bloating to improved digestion. My friend started doing the gelatin trick a few weeks ago, and she noticed a big difference in how she felt after eating. She didn't get that heavy, sluggish feeling anymore. The gelatin trick is really all about supporting your body's natural processes, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to notice some pretty cool changes in how you feel. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips and tricks to get you started with the gelatin trick. Head to the link now and start feeling the difference for yourself with the gelatin trick.